Hello children, welcome back, and today we are going to do word problems on the operator of. A 440 meter long road is being repaired. At the end of 3 days, the workers had repaired 3/4 of the road. What length of road is unrepaired? Now they have given that there is a road, children, that road is 440 meter long. After 3 days, they have completed 3/4 of the road. That means they have finished repairing 3/4 of the road. And now they have asked what length of road is unrepaired. So we have to first find out the fraction of unrepaired road. And how will we find the fraction? So this is constituting a whole circle. So in this whole circle, if I divide it into 4 parts, because this is denominator is 4. So what is 3/4? 3/4 means this is 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. So 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 is given as 3/4. So this is the repaired part which I have marked in red sketch. Now what is unrepaired? Unrepaired is the black one. So this is 1/4. Okay. So 1/4 is unrepaired. So we can write fraction of unrepaired road is equal to 1 minus 3/4. And why am I taking 1? Because this whole circle is 1. So if I subtract 1, if I subtract 3/4 from 1, my answer is 1/4. And therefore length of the road equal to 1/4 of 440 meter. So 1/4 of 440 means 1/4 multiplied by 440 meter, which is 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 zeros are 0. So 110 meter of the length of road is still to be repaired. That's all children. See you in next class with the next word problem.